me for a second?
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another dance group on this sunny Sunday.
Hold these until I finish my speech and it's recording.
And while they're preparing...
Do you want to take it from the front?
Ladies and gentlemen, I will kindly ask Peter, come over here, the president. Σε λίγο έχουμε και το γορευτικό συγκρότημα Ακρίτες του Πόντου. Ο πρόεδρος να μας πει μερικά λόγια. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Κώστα. Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα σας. Πώς περνάτε? Να πω μόνο δύο λόγια ειδικά στα ελληνικά και μετά να μεταφέρω μερικά πράγματα στα αγγλικά. Τα θερμό ευχαριστώ εκ μέρους του Διοικητικού Συμβούλιο Ακρίτες του Πόντου και το χορευτικό συγκρότημα για την πρόσκληση να παραβρεθούμε εμείς εδώ σήμερα μαζί σας. Έχουμε ετοιμάσει ένα πολύ ωραίο πρόγραμμα για εσάς. Εύχομαι να τα περάσετε πάρα πολύ καλά και αν έχετε κάποιες ερωτήσεις μετά από την παράσταση, έλα να με βρείτε και να σας εξηγήσω μερικά πράγματα. Λοιπόν, ladies and gentlemen, can I just say this? The Greek culture is one that unifies many cultures. There was a federal politician that came up to me very recently and he said, of all the ethnic cultures in Australia that have done well with regards to cross-cultural initiatives, it is the Greeks. Our responsibility is this, to use our rich culture to reach out to other cultures and help them integrate. Akritas του Πόντου has got that as part of its multicultural initiative, a strong leadership program whose focus is to unite our culture with others in this great country of ours. So if you've got kids and you're interested in joining this particular program, by all means, seek me out. I'm more than happy to discuss it. In the end, we have to understand our responsibility as Greeks is to invite and bring others in and help them integrate with us. We've done that this year with the Armenians and the Assyrians, last year with the Maoris, the year before with the Georgians, the year before that with the Aboriginal group. We are a very progressive and very progressive association, and the kids that we've got have done an amazing job of promoting cross-culturalism within this particular country. We certainly hope you enjoy this small taste of our culture and have an absolutely fantastic time. Να είστε καλά.
Are the Pontians ready? Are you ready, kids? I can see something. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a very warm round of applause. Κυρίες και κύριοι, Ακρίτες του Πόντου.